is this bad. I'm fucking jumpy, you fat fuck.
You fat motherfucker.
Motherfucker.
You jumping who, cuz?
Fat shaming you.
Ooh, you hear him saying? Shut the fuck up, you nigger. I don't want to be on this shit no more.
Why you nigga?
Damn, y'all young get fucked. You like 14.
No, I'm 19.
You like 14 and a half.
She lying.
I'm just playing.
She lying.
I need to see some ID around here.
See that nigga lying.
That's all I hear lying for people.
I'm born in 05. I don't got nothing to prove.
Well, 05, that is 19. I guess. What y'all doing on here? Y'all just bored?
Yo.
Just bored. Where y'all from?
Every time we tell somebody
where we from, they skip us.
See, I wasn't gonna skip y'all. Like my finger not even nowhere near the button. I just want to know, like.
we from Arkansas.
We from Arkansas.
Oh damn.
You know what?
See,
What's up
That's what I'm saying.
though? Just be honest. What's up about it? Like, what's
You
the big deal about it?
what's up? Damn. Like I ain't even say nothing yet. Like
Everybody been around our way.
Everybody just skipped us and did just
Like, we just Bob City. Houston is Bob City.
I'm not gonna lie. Like I feel like every city just got some buck activity going on.
No. That is worse than the big one right there.
really the state of Arkansas is not really big though.
Exactly.
See, but that means y'all all know who ran through and who ain't ran through for real.
No, it's about basically how you respect yourself and how you carry yourself. It's not about if you ran through or not. If you ran through like that, that basically means you ain't grown at all. You ain't trying to respect yourself.
Yeah, you right. I don't want to talk.
Bro, nigga, bitch. Why you do that?
I ain't want to talk no more.
Like, dang.
I'm not gonna lie.
I don't want to talk. Like,
Hey.
that nigga here.
Oh, y'all niggas gay.
The nigga here. Oh,
That's not true.
Ugh, your teeth ugly as fuck. Your tongue, ugly face ass.
you talking about ugly?
Hey,
Nigga
You said, what's
here.
that,
I
Efron?
got a song for y'all.
He about to sing some nigger.
Sing it.
Don't say no nigger, bro. Oh, that one.
You made this?
No, don't.
Chicken nigga.
He's the one. Hey, nigga, man. That nigga said, hold on. He said, I gotta. He said, I gotta. That nigga jump out the shit. He said, I gotta do something for you. Dog, the fake I got that on camera, phone.
Dog had the fake money. He talking about some chicken, nigga.
Oh,
Oh my god, bro.
wait.
That just made
They're
me
talking about
laugh.
free girl. Wait.
Let's do it. Let's do it, cause it's your time to shine, twin.
Bro.
Oh, they just tricked us.
Oh, hold up. Oh, mama. Hold up.
Oh, we got girls only, twin. Hey,
Hi.
what's your name is?
That nigga said shit.
How old are you? And where you from?
21.
Your ass not 21.
You sound young,
yeah. Baby game.
Yeah, where you from?
Skip. what, bro? Bro, skill,
You
bro.
take it too
Nigga,
long.
You tripping.
Shake some.
What if that's a kid? Don't even say that yet.
You right.
tripping. Come on, shit. Chill, gang. Come shake some, like, what?
Hey.
Hi.
Oh, you guys are in Australia?
I said hi.
Oh, hell no. Y'all some jits.
Bro, how you...
They just tricked us.
Oh, my mama, nigga.
Oh, hell no.
Nigga.
Oh, hell no.
That nigga did...
They keep putting little girls on there, man.
That's what I got off.
It be so irritating. Like, why? They just funny though.
Chicken, nigga. He said chicken, nigga.
Bro, that's why it was so funny, bro.
That's what
He said don't say it. And he said it anyway.
I
Like,
told him not to
he
say
said don't say
I said
nigga, bro.
don't say nigger.
And that nigga gonna say it anyway, bro. Dang, there's some female.
That girl was ugly, yeah.
Kill the rat. We just chopped the rat meat off, twin.
I said don't say nigger. She gonna say it. I mean, he gonna say it.
What's up?
What's up? You
You
young.
young. Oh my mama, you
No,
young.
I'm not.
Y'all both like 15, 16. That's still young.
You nigger head.
So y'all holding get the fuck up off this shit. I been trying to put up with a 30 round, I probably still got smoking on their hands and being stupid and shit.
Close to the cheese event, got the garbage, I'm talking to me, got the shot, the mud, some shit on my cleats, stay careful when you got some dirt on your feet, I promise I'm brighter and harder than me, fully up in, got a feeling in the feet, no chugging, but I got some blood on my jeans, I see some shit in the streets, I did some shit that I don't wanna see, I tell no steps on the water for peace, now a lot of them shit feel good to be free, I was kidding the house down, now they eat, you know, mentally, I had to hustle for me, I chose my rock to see better things, give a fuck about the world, they remember me. What the hell did these niggas be on? My nigga hot boy senses. When you see that phone get blown, I be down if I got with a bitch. And since the day I pray y'all make it home. I want it all. L short but standing tall. All by myself, take all these stress. I want some help, I hate the top. I take this pain and sit it off. I lift my soul, I'm in that mode. I know my cost. I took the sauce and ran off. I play like Randy Moss. Jack down there, bitch. I love my brother. I like when times get dark. Life and death, I wanna live. Baby, God, give me all these pills. Fucking hoes and pouring foes. I used to find a thrill. Too real for fake with people. Fake what ain't being real. Can't sell my soul, it's fuck a deal. Most of these bitches know who they is. They go home and watch your kids. Nigga don't hate, just watch your chest. The dreams I had turned into plans. The drink gon' go hard in the face. She got my little shot of Jimmy. She tried to shit where it's place. But only yet to get in the pit. They say I'm dirty harmless. I say well damn, it's like a bitch.
Yeah, they crapping on the app, but no, we put up on the map. That these people talking game, but all these folks be really cap. And I'm in the street, you know I don't mess with them, can't get no doubt. If and then we get them clap, head tap, you know he dead. I don't even mess with them, they fed. I be geek when I take my meds. Y'all be chilling on the edge. Got your hoe up in my bed.
Got your hoe up in my bed.
That nigga said nigga.
That's on
He said
crazy,
chicken,
bro.
nigga. Y'all finna dip, bro. Oh my mama, I'm finna cry like twin.
Chicken, nigga.
Y'all leaving me, bro.
Chicken, nigga.
I'm a game.
Damn, bro, we just turned the monkey.
Y'all gotta end the video with me. Come on, twin. Come on, twin. Stop, gang. You tripping, folks. Come on. Chill, folks. Stop doing that for the video. He acting, y'all, boy. Come in, gang.
You talking about he acting?
Come in, folks.
On the
Alright,
guys.
come on. Let's end it.
On the guys.
Alright, y'all boy.
Y'all boy.
Hey, gang, stop.
Stay motherfucking tuned,
What's
pussy.
up, gang?
Stay motherfucking tuned.
Stay tuned.
Stay
on my
tuned,
mama.
bro.
Y'all know these boys about to start YouTube on
Y'all
my
stay
mama, gang.
tuned,
Y'all know
bro.
what's going.
Stay
Y'all, we
tuned,
out,
bro.
That's a bar.
No pencil paper, young nigga, walk with his lead on him.